Re tsile go ithuta Setswana mmogo. We are going to learn Setswana together. Dumelang. Hello. Dumela. Hello. O tsogile jang? How are you? Re tsogile. I'm fine. Ke a leboga. Thank you. Now that we have learned how to greet each other, let's move on, shall we?
Setswana or Setswana is a language spoken in southern Africa by about 4.5 million people. It is a Bantu language belonging to the Niger-Congo language family. The following lessons have been designed to suit any new learner in Setswana who has had little or no exposure to Setswana language. I hope you enjoy this class. We have already covered greetings. Remember NBSP, greetings are very important in Setswana. Now let's begin our class. A sound like A in father. B sounds like B in baby. CH sounds like CH in church. D sounds like D in debt. E represents two sounds. E sounds like E in begin. Another E sounds like E in there. FF sounds like F in far. GG sounds like the sound made when you hawk. Aluji. H sounds like H in house. I sounds like E in deep. J sounds like J in Jinjug. K sounds like K in kind. L sounds like L in line. M sounds like M in Minmay. N sounds like N in name. O sounds like O in boat. O represents two sounds. O could sound somewhat like you and put. Another O sounds like O in ought. P sounds like P in pain. PH P with aspiration sounds like P in peach. R you just roll the R sound. S sounds like S in Sinza. T NBSP sounds like T in steak. TH T with aspiration, as in take. TL as in cluck. DLH with aspiration, as in sclerosis. TSH with aspiration, like DS in mats. U sounds like U in root. X and palatal click, that is laterally released, as in nx, expressing sympathy. W sounds like W in water. Y sounds like Y in yet. Q Z